Hello, this is your president speaking. I'm not here to announce anything of particular importance, other than to reaffirm the seriousness of our republic. We are not a joke nation. We do not exist to entertain and humor myself or any of our citizens. We would prefer to be taken with some seriousness. There are complaints of me pranking and trolling and whatnot, but as a government leader, I am still a human being, and I am permitted to make jokes and breathe and to eat, just like the rest of you. I would like it if you could recognize us as a serious government. I understand now that full membership into this union is not possible due to the damage to our reputation that has been done. But I would prefer it if, at the very least, and this, I speak for my citizens, I speak for myself, if at the very least we were granted observer status, so that we may be a part of a greater international community, so that we may be a part of a community of people which govern themselves seriously and which understand the principles of government seriously. This has been the President of the Republic of Boyland speaking to you. Thank you for your time and attention.